There's only one of two things that you need to understand in order to fix your car count. And I'm going to explain all that on this video. So buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, my name's Matthew and welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If this is your first time and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and hit that subscriber button and ring the bell icon. You'll be on your way. I jumped on this video because of a message I got, and I was just going through things, and I had an independent repair shop owner contact me and ask me what's the best way to start. He hadn't been doing any marketing. He's been in business for 8 or 9 years, and where do I start? You know, he hasn't had a need for marketing, but there's certainly been a change in the marketplace. Well, no kidding. Of course there's been a change in the market. New car dealers are expanding, going after your customers, the big box auto repairs, the national chains, and now even Pep Boys is offering a drive to your door service. And in fact, I've got a video coming up about that. You're going to want to know about that and how it's going to affect your shop. But this particular shop owner contacted me because he hadn't been doing any marketing. Look, I can't give him specifics in a response to an email message because I really don't know enough about you and where you want to go. But I thought it was important enough that you understand there's only one of two reasons why you're not getting car count. It's pretty simple. Look, if I come in and do a 30,000 foot view of your business and where you're going and what you're leaving on the table, I'm really only going to ask you two big questions. Number one, show me the advertising that you're doing. Show me the marketing that you're doing. Are you contacting your customers? Are you getting customer reviews? Let's have a look at your website. What's your website doing to attract customers? Is it coming up in Google search? But basically, when you boil it down in a nutshell, it's your advertising. Are you marketing to get customers, to get the car count? And if you are, when they get to your shop, standing right in front of you at your service counter, are you converting them? Are you proving to them that you're the best solution for their problem? Remember, people don't buy brake jobs. They buy the solution to the squeaky, grindy pull in their steering when they're driving. So are you the best shop to solve that problem and prove to them that you can do that? But understand this, when it comes to growing car count, there's really only one of two reasons. Number one, you're not actively getting customers from your marketing, meaning you're sending out direct mail, you're sending out postcards, you might be doing Facebook advertising, and you're not getting that call in or email or contact, hey, book me an appointment. Or you are getting, the call and the contact, book an appointment, customers come in and you're not converting them. So that's basically it. Look, it's only one of two simple things. And I just wanted to share that with you because there's no use getting all upset trying to figure out that, the world's not against you. It's if you're not advertising and getting calls and contacts, well, that could be a problem. If you are doing that and you're not converting them, well, we got to go back and look at what I call the marketing engine. Just because you've got a prospect that wants what you're selling doesn't necessarily mean you've convinced him that you're the best. So how do you do that? There's a bunch of tips and tricks and hacks and all that stuff. And on this channel, I've got 40 some odd videos right now and publishing more all the time on what you can do to grow your car count. So I hope this video has given you some value, and if so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it. One other thing I want to tell you while you're here, hold on, just put the brakes on for a minute. I've decided to put together a course on how to double your car count in 89 days. Here's the deal. It's a free course. It's totally free. But what I'm suggesting you do is go ahead and hit that subscriber button now so that as soon as that information is released, you'll be the first to know. The course is going to be delivered online in video format. So there'll be 7 or 8 different videos that walk you through each step. There'll be short, bite-sized videos. There'll be 5, 6, 8 minutes, depending on what we got to explain. And it'll take you through each individual step that you need to get yourself Well, I'm going to tell it to you give it to you straight. You've got to be marketable. If you don't have things in place already, you just don't go to the races without having that engine tuned up. Well, we're going to tune up your engine and get you started. It's a totally free course. But go ahead and hit the subscriber button and be sure you ring the bell icon. That way, as soon as that information is released, you'll be the first to know. In the meantime, my name's Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer, and I thank you so much for watching this video and spending a little time here. In the meantime, I'm going to link a couple of videos here. Take care and talk soon.